Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the new domain and DNS control. Start immediately. First, verify ownership in your registrar and add the new domain to your email provider. Then export current MX, SBF, DKIM, and DMARC settings so you can replicate them. Once done, create the new mailboxes or aliases that mirror existing users and set temporary forwarding to avoid lost mail. Make sure to log administrative credentials securely and note propagation expectations. DNS can take hours to fully update. Now modify DNS and provider settings step by step. Create MX records for the new domain matching your mail host and set proper priorities. Then publish an SBF record that authorizes your sending servers. Generate DKIM keys in the mail service and add the public key to DNS. Enable signing once propagation is confirmed. Update SMTP credentials, inbound routing, and any alias mappings in your email admin console. While waiting, keep the old domain active to catch residual traffic and reduce disruptions. Perform the cutover during your maintenance window. Switch sending to the new domain, enable DKIM signing, and disable the old domain only after confirmations. You should monitor bounce reports, delivery logs, and user access to ensure mail flow is normal. Then update user settings, signatures, auto-replies, and mobile/device profiles, and decommission unused addresses. If problems occur, first verify DNS TTL and propagation. Confirm MX priorities and SBF syntax, and check for IP blacklisting. Retry key records and allow time for changes to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.